I know it's been a minute, but the stoner with the sweet tooth is back in it. Ladies and gentlemen, stoners and stonettes, heavy blunt tokers, all the way to my in the closet zigzag rollers. Welcome back to Heasie Invest. You already know you rolling with the best. We rolling deep in the season, and the season upon us is what we like to call vape videos. So just a heads up, I would never call myself an expert in the realm of vaporizers. I'm far from an expert in the field. I simply like to showcase the item and let you guys, the viewers, the vapors, gain some knowledge on the product so you can make a decision if it's something you could see yourself puffing on. I've had a couple companies reach out to me in the past month, which I love, I really appreciate. Some companies I've worked with in the past, but this company I'm looking at today is quite new to me, so I have no clue what to expect, and that's part of the fun when unboxing a new product from a new company.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Okay? Is that okay, sir? Yeah, I'll do the review. I'll do the review. You want me to do the review? I'll do the review. You don't want me to do the review? You don't want me to do the review. What do you want me to do? God damn.
So here we go. We are looking at the Tesiyi Imuses Mod. Now you can see the box is just small and it's light. You can already tell that this is going to be a tiny vape. Let's go ahead and get this baby undressed. And boom, I was dead on. This is by far the smallest in its style that I've come across in my years of checking out these vaporizers. Perfect pocket rocket size, as it takes up almost zero real estate when being carried around with you as your daily driver in your pocket, purse, or backpack, or whatever you put it in. The thing is just so light, which is its selling factor, tiny and light, keeping it incognito. I mean, you could pull this out, take a puff, conceal it back in the palm of your hand, and you're ready to roll. It's very on the stealth side of things, man. Alright, so let's go ahead and hit this up with the hard details. This vape is coming at you in 5 beautiful colors. We're talking your blue, your red, black, purple, and of course, when we're talking products of the herb,
you gotta have your greens.
Battery capacity is 350 amp hours. Now you can smoke this at 3 different temperature variables: 3.3 volt, 3.7, and 4 volt, depending on your preference between
Big Cloud or
a nice taste.
3.3 is your blue light, 3.7 is your purple light, and 4 is your red light. Preheating on this takes about 15 seconds, and you're looking at using a compatible 510 thread cartridge in this device.
Whoa.
Let's go ahead and take a closer look at the body. We have the cartridge house, the indicator light and fire button, the hole for the little carrying rope thingy, and the micro USB port entryway
for charging up this little beast.
So how's it work? Purchase one of these, you come home, you want to fire it up. How's it work? Click the fire button 5 times within 2 seconds to turn it on or off. The light will flash 3 times in either direction to let you know it's taken that action. Click the button 2 times within 2 seconds to enter the preheating mode. The light will continue flashing until the vape reaches the desired temp, at which point the light will turn off, letting you know it's time to burn. Click the fire button 3 times within 2 seconds to change between the 3 different temperatures. That makes it nice and easy to cycle between the different options. At this point, you just need to hold down the fire button and she is ready to go. Now, if you do see the light flashing in red over and over and over, it means it's time for you to charge up. Don't worry, in a crunch, you can plug this in via the USB and still use the vape at the same time. That can be a major lifesaver in certain situations. Now, I've been using this product for about a week now, and it's been a pretty good experience. Keep in mind, it is a simple product designed for people that want to keep things on the down low.
And we're not talking R. Kelly on this.
If you are looking for a product that is big and bulky, that makes you really stand out in the crowd, this vape would not be for you. But if you want a simple, small, well-built, easy to use, stealth little vape that you can bring with you anywhere and nobody would ever know, while the Tesiyi Imuses Mod would be a great way for you to go, in my non-expert opinion. Now, the one thing that I gotta say, and it's not just with this company, it seems to be all companies that are outside of North America, the cartridge never comes with the product. So what happens is you have these people that are trying this for the first time. They go to the store, they buy the product, they're so excited, they go home, boom, they can't do anything, there's no cartridge. And it's a terrible feeling, man. Bad first impression a lot of people get of these products when the cartridge is not included in the box. Now, I think you can grab one of these for $20, which is a pretty easy price point to swallow. And the fact that it takes the 510 thread, that's a very common size. So once you do buy one cartridge, you can take it in and out of the different vapes you have. Now, if you want to learn more about the cartridge and how to load them, check out one of my previous videos. I'll post some links in the description and at the end of the video.
And that's it, man.
Go out and grab yourself one. Let me know what you think. Thank you for watching. Happy vaping. This is Heasie Invest. You've been rocking with the best. I hope all is well to everyone out there. We out. Peace.